Alright, doing a grouping between Sluggers and Rackmasters. These are both for smoothbore design, basically. I mean, you can shoot them through rifle barrels, but the thing with shooting lead through a rifle is that lead will scrape off into the grooves into your rifling, and it's a little bit harder to clean them when you're doing that. So these are 2 smoothbore rounds that we're going to be doing.
What if you're going to bird hunt with it if you don't take the plug out?
Alright, here we go. Shooting at the top left target.
Pretty good group?
Yeah. It's good. I think it's going to do a better job than the Rackmasters. On. 1, 2. And here we go. Going to be shooting the Rackmasters to the left target now.
Right?
Right. Yeah. Okay.
Make sure you pay attention.
Yep. That was the test of the day for you guys, for my studio audience, the producers, the film crew, the key grip guy. That's getting ejected.
Yeah, close it.
Yeah, no. That's almost a dead weight tie.
Do it?
It's almost a 3-way tie. Oh, there you go. That is Remington Sluggers, just a regular 2 3/4 inch, and Winchester Rackmasters, I believe. Y'all see what they are. That's almost a draw. I don't know if y'all can see it.
Yeah.
That's pretty much a dead draw between the two. So the Rackmasters are a little bit higher and in price than the Remington. So I mean, really, either or. I don't know. But there you go. That's a smoothbore also. Thank you. Have a nice day.